Dear students, I hope that you all will be fine at your home. Today we are going to take the topic verb. Now first the question arises that what are verbs? Verbs are the words that express the action. These action can be physical action or mental action both. Now, there are three types of verbs which are given. First one is your action verbs, second linking verbs, and third one is your helping verbs. Now, first type is your action verb. So, I will explain you what is action verbs. Action verbs are words that express the action. For example, give, eat, walk, talk, run, sleep. These all are your action verbs. And these action verbs can be either transitive or intransitive. Some examples of action verbs are given here. Ran, swallowed, sang, awake, write, cup. These all are your action verbs. Now the question arises that what is transitive verb? Transitive verb are those verbs that receive the action of the verb and it contains the direct object. For example, Sita raises her hand. So Sita here is noun and raises is here your verb and object is your hand. So this hand which is an object is receiving the verb's action and raises then is called a transitive verb. Some transitive verbs contains the indirect objects which name the object to whom or for whom the action was done. Example is given here. Ram gave Mohan the pencil. So here pencil is your direct object. What did he give? He gave the pencil. And your indirect object is here Mohan. We recognize indirect object by asking the question to whom did he give it. So when the answer will come to whom it gave, so then it will be your indirect object. Now next is yours intransitive verbs. So what are intransitive verbs? These are your that action verbs that do not have a direct object and it never answer the question who or what. For example is here the pilot landed carefully. So here when we are answering the question landed what or whom, we are not getting the answer. It means that this is yours intransitive verb. Now next kind is here your linking verbs. So what are linking verb? Linking verb links its subject. So subject is here, example is given, the cow is blue. So here the subject is your cow and word is your blue. So between this there is. So this cow is connected with blue with the linking verb is. So here your linking verb is. Now linking verbs are given to you here. There are 9 common linking verbs. They are am, are, be, being, become, is, seem, was, were. And to remember these linking words, there is written the saying, all boys in school work. So from all, we can use that A, that is am, are, with B, we can remember be, being, become, with in I, we can remember is. School S we can remember seen, and with work W we can remember was and were. Now next is your helping verbs. So what are helping verbs? Helping verbs are those verbs which helps a main verb to express an action. And verb phrase is the combination of one or more helping verbs. Example is given here. Elmer was using the computer. So was is yours helping verb here and using is your main verb. Now helping verbs are given to you. May, might, must, be, being, been, am, are, is, was, were, do, does, did, should, could, would, have, had, has, will, can, shall. These all are your helping verbs. Now next we will discuss on other kinds of verbs. Now first one is your here regular verb. So what are regular verb? Regular verb contains second and third form of verb which is made by adding d or ed. Example as given here. First form is your walk. So second form walked. So we have added here ed. Third form is also your walked. So here also ed is at your last. Second example, talk. So second form is talked and its third form also talk. Now next is your irregular verbs. So what are irregular verbs? Irregular verbs are opposite of regular verbs. These are those verbs in which there is not the addition of d or ed. Example is here. First form is shut, its second form shut and its third form also shut. Now in the same way there is drink, then second form drank, then third form is drunk. Now break, second form broke, then third form broken. Now next is your finite verb. So what is finite verb? The verb that can make its own predicate, that is called your finite verb. The example is given here. Open the door. So open the door here is your predicate. And here open is your finite verb. Now next is your infinite verb. So what is the infinite verb? Such verb that can't make its predicate itself, they are called infinite verb. Example is given here. He has done the duty. So if we will write here he has the duty, so it will not show you the clear meaning. So we have added there the done. So the example now become he has done the duty. So done is here the infinite verb. Now next is your infinitive. So what are infinitive? Infinitive is a verb that begins with to and it is used as a noun, an adjective or an adverb. So example is given here. First we use it as a noun. So to err is humans. So err here meaning the error, mistakes. So it is here as a subject. Now next example is given here. This year India is the team to beat. So to beat here modifies the noun and it is used as an adjective here. Now last one is your gerund. Now what is gerund? A gerund is a verb form that is used as a noun and it ends with ing. Example is given here. Talking is not allowed in the study hall. So here talking is used as a noun and it is the subject of the sentence. Now at last I hope that you all have understood the topic nicely. Thank you.